Built for professional builders and contractors who rely on their compressors day in and day out. Introducing the MAKITA 5.5 It's part of Makita's expanding lineup of best-in-class air compressors. The compressor is equipped with a powerful Honda GX160 4-stroke engine for increased performance and superior reliability. The compressor is powered with a V-twin-style pump that provides up to 12 CFM at 100 PSI for faster recovery. Unlike compressors with aluminum pumps, the pump is full cast iron with big bore cylinders and pistons for extended durability. The 10-gallon twin tank capacity provides more air supply to multiple nailers, so you get the performance you need. The compressor also comes standard with an integrated panel with oversized gauges and 2 universal brass couplers for increased durability and reduced corrosion. It has a 10-inch non-flat tire for easier job site portability. Get the job performance and durability for the most demanding applications. Get the MAKITA 5.5 5.5 horsepower gas air compressor.